Hello everyone, I'm Carol Snyder. I am your son or daughter's AP Chemistry teacher. I just wanted to make a quick video to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about me. I have been in the district for, I think I'm starting my 22nd year teaching chemistry, of which I've had 18 years teaching AP Chemistry. So I've been teaching chemistry a long time. Prior to being a teacher, I was a chemist for 12 years, originally from Chicago, and I moved here in the 1990s and worked as a chemist before I got a teaching license. The purpose of the video today is just to introduce myself and to tell you about the open house, which is Tuesday, September 22nd. It will be in the evening, and there you will find and learn more general information about AP Chemistry. You'll hear about the Schoology course and expectations and WebAssign and those sorts of items. So I will be sending out links on the 22nd for my Zoom meetings per hour that you can follow your son or daughter's schedule. So just wanted to let you know, look for the links that are coming on Tuesday. I look forward to meeting you all, and enjoy your weekend, and go Eagle Nation.